We saw this comment in the poll we just posted, and it kind of got me thinking, because what happened is this person said that they had about 3 years of preps, and unfortunately they had financial problems, and they had to use them, and they felt like they made a mistake, it seemed like, from how I read it. So this begs the question, when should you use your preps? And that's what we want to go over here. Because most people think of prepping as, the big bunkers, and we're going to have, total doom and gloom and all that, when we need to use our prep. It's for any time that
Anytime.
Yeah, and that's why we prep. It's security and peace of mind. It's not fear. It's actually freedom.
Because if something's going to happen, whether it be the power outage or whether you have anything else happen, in your mind, hey, you should be okay for the next 2-3 weeks or however long.
Yeah. Yeah, and it gives you financial flexibility. Like say if you lose your job or whatever, and that happened to us, right?
Yeah, I lost my job. I was at 6 months?
Yeah, 6 months.
And then again, in another instance, I was out on a medical leave. And that, I was a little immobile there, so it's not like we were jumping in the car going to the grocery store.
Yeah.
And
that 6 months, we pretty much, we lived off our preps. We lived off our preps, which is really good to do anyway, because you have to rotate them.
Yeah.
Preps aren't there just to sit and make a nice picture for, your Pinterest. That's serious. You have to rotate them, and you have to use them. And the best time to use them, it really is when you need to.
Yeah. And then as you get back on your feet, start prepping again. And as we say, something's on sale, buy an extra couple of those items.
Yeah.
And start like you did before. Start rebuilding your preps.
Exactly, and that's what we do. And we try to buy everything on sale too.
Yeah.
Because like I said before, financial freedom. It is. If you blow your money, and I've fell in that hole. Honestly, I have. I got into the thing where, I have to have this. I was following this YouTuber, and he wasn't, he had a lot more money, I guess you could say, than I have. And I tried to somehow think, I have to have that. I have to have that too, But I did, and he made everything look sexy, and I ended up, getting my credit card out and just started buying stuff, which now I'm glad I have it, but I didn't need to, You gotta watch your finances and just buy what you can and buy things that are on sale.
Yeah, we just last weekend went to the grocery store, and they had one of those bulk can sales by the case sale. So we got a couple of those just to stock up, and because I've been going through our pantry, and when I want to make dinner, hey, everything comes out of our prepping storage. It's full because we rotate.
Yeah, we rotate.
Yeah.
And you have to remember to rotate. And, sometimes we do, get a little laxed on the rotating.
Yeah, but when the big sale comes along, there we go. We go buy more.
Yep. And we have in our pantry, we have our door on our one pantry. We have quite a few pantries. And on our one door, we put the stuff in it that we're going to use. And it's on the door, so we can just pull cans. And that's a good way of rotating. It really is. It's a good, have these little shelves that we have. And the other thing we do is you got to keep track of what you have. Yeah. And we did a video, this one program, they gave us a free subscription for this program to try out. And, they didn't care what we said, but we really did like it. We actually have a video on that. I'll put a link in that. And what that does is it helps you organize. Yeah. And it really helped us because we have stuff. If you've watched any of our videos, we actually aren't normal preppers. We got stuff behind our couch. We have stuff behind our doors. We have stuff in tubes. We have stuff stuck behind other stuff.
And we got under the bed.
So say, if all of a sudden we're looking for oh my gosh, where are the beans? Well, or where's the Spam?
We just pull up our program.
We pull up our program, and online. There it tells us. So we'll have a link in the description for the video we did, and also to their website. It
also helps keep track of our inventory.
It does. Yeah, and that's what we use for it. It tells you how much you're using, where it's at. I'm really thankful that they gave that to us, because it's been a blessing to us. And along those notes, now it's time for a word from our sponsor. Well, we've been asked, and we finally are going to do it. We put this out a little while ago, and we're going to do consulting. If you go down, you'll see there'll be a link down in the description. Right now we're running a sale. It's about to end in October 12th. There are some spots left open. We have a really good sale running right now. If you want to have some one-on-one, just basic, consulting, if you just look down in the description and if you're interested. And also remember to sign up for our mailing list, because you never know, because a lot of YouTube channels have been getting shut down. So we always want to make sure we have contact with you. So if something happens, you can contact. Plus we'll send you out all our new information. But yeah, back to what we're really talking about here. Prepping isn't about fear, and that's something that I always see. Fear, fear, fear.
Yeah.
And I think that's one of the reasons our friends and family wanted us to start this YouTube channel, because we helped them. And they saw that, wow, you can prep without, being scared all the time or acting scared. That Doomsday Prepper series, I think, destroyed the prepping idea.
Yeah, and people out there saying, you got to buy this date or else. It's like, no, you don't.
Yeah, no. Just how it, and like I look at it, I see all these videos, I'm like, well, if you're prepared, it's okay.
Yeah, exactly.
So we have so we can't get anything everything's going to disappear by spring, If you're prepared, that's why we're prepared.
Yeah.
We should never be, when we have a power failure, she takes a shower. We don't even power. She's in there taking a shower, watching videos.
Yeah. Doesn't bother us.
Yeah.
We're prepared.
Yeah, and even during COVID. I mean, we didn't buy any toilet paper the whole COVID. We should get a golden star, right?
And after the panic, of course, we just restocked.
Yeah, we went in there originally and we, seen what was going on.
We knew ahead of time.
Yeah, we knew ahead of time because we knew somebody that was in Asia and they kind of gave us heads up. So we kind of went and got some, last minute stuff. But it was funny because when we were in the store, you could tell people that were in the know, because they're really quiet and they're just like grabbing stuff,
Yeah.
But yeah, use your preps. Don't hide them. Just use them. And even if you have friends and family that need something, that's what they're for too. You don't just need to keep them. I see all these videos again where they're always going to protect my stuff and nobody's going to get any. Well, that's you, but not us. That's not how we roll.
Yeah.
If somebody needs some help, we have extra, We
prepare for that.
We're prepared for that.
Because I have family that don't take care of themselves.
Yeah.
Who just aren't prepared. They live day by day, which is fine.
That's how they roll.
It's perfectly fine. It's the way everybody rolls.
Yeah.
But just in case, if they need anything, they can call me.
Yeah. So
and I could probably help.
So right now, if you're using your preps for a good reason, it's okay. You're doing the right thing. Yeah. Don't worry about it. Don't put yourself down. You're doing the right thing.
Yeah, just restock when you can. When you get back on your feet. I mean, that's what prepping is for.
That is what it's for.
Yeah, it helped us out tremendously.
It helped us out, and we feel I can sleep at night knowing I have my preps. Mm-hmm. My name is Wayne.
And I'm Belinda.
And we're No More Prepping.
And thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye.